Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video will show you how to make your own pie chart based on this first 20 tropical fruits that I can list out, and this is the grade for each tropical fruits category. Now I'm not going to mess up with the raw data, so I'm going to have another chart here. This is how the Apple environment works. You can have two separate sheets within the same worksheet, right? So the first column is meant for the x-axis, the second column for the y-axis. So the x-axis, I want it to be the grade, and then before that, I could highlight both column and centralize the text. Okay. Then the y-axis is for frequency, right? So first column here is for grade A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, all the grade that I can find. And I'm going to ask the system to do some coding to count the number of A that appear on my raw data. But also I need to find the total so that I know it has counted correctly. So this additional table I call pie chart here. Okay, you can click and drag the pie chart. So here you press equal sign on the keyboard and type CountIf in one word, right? Yes, this is the one. So the first array is from here. Click and drag so that the system later will count the number of A to Z. Okay, press comma. Then this is what I want the system to find, capital A. So the system later is going to find out, to count for me how many A's are there. And click the down button, the drop down menu, preserve the start row and the end row. Okay, so press the green button. Okay, you can drag it down here to go see for yourself. Click the green button. There you go. This is the number of A appear on the array. Okay, and then click at the center yellow button, drag it down, and then I find out the sum, SUM. Click and drag, find out the total. Yes, total number tally with my raw data. I'm about to finish. Okay, how can I get my pie chart, right? So highlight all this number, this frequency. Look for chart. You can have a 3D chart or 2D chart, but for this video I'm going to show you how to make a 2D chart. Just click the 2D pie chart. There you go. Done. Easy, right? So in Mac environment, the pie chart can be made easily. Okay, so your raw data remain untouched. You need to make an additional table for it. Then you can do all the formatting. Okay, you can click maybe the title. Okay, click here, click title, and uncheck legend if legend is taking up too much space. You can also change the font type and font size for this title, and then you can also add the category in each sector. Okay, over the another widgets. You can okay, there you go. You can click again. You can click on the chart area. You can uncheck the legend or change the font type, which I mentioned earlier. So making a pie chart in MacBook Number is so much easy and convenient, right? See, it's so nice, so colorful. We've done it for you. Okay, and then what else can I show you? Widgets, right? The second tab here. You can check data and names, right? So you can check this box so that it will show you the category. So each category 100%. Okay, and then you can also uncheck the legend, right? I think that's about it. Then later you can actually right click and export it and paste this into any other document, right? To find out as a PDF or as an image, right? I hope you find my video useful. Remember to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back and refer to my video. Very useful. That's all from me, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.